In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Constant Contact email form to Astra WordPress. To begin, sign into your Constant Contact account and go to the main navigation. Look for the section labeled Channels. This is where Constant Contact groups different ways you can connect with your audience. Under Channels, click Sign Up Forms. This opens the area where you can create forms that collect email addresses and send them directly into your contact lists. Next, click Create Sign Up Form. Constant Contact will ask you to choose a form type. Take a moment here because the form type determines how it will appear on your WordPress site. If you want the form to sit inside a page, post, or a section of your layout, choose an inline form. If you prefer a form that appears automatically, such as after a short delay, choose Pop-up. Pick the option that matches the experience you want visitors to have. Once your form type is selected, you will customize the form. Start with the content, like the title and description, so visitors understand what they are signing up for. Then review your fields. Keep it simple when possible, because shorter forms are usually easier for visitors to complete. After that, move into the settings. This is where you can control things like timing for a pop-up form and whether the form should display on desktop, mobile, or both. These settings matter because a form that looks good on all devices can lead to more signups. Now choose the email list where new signups will be added. This step is important for organization, especially if you run more than one newsletter or campaign. Make sure you select the correct list so your new subscribers receive the right emails later. When you are ready, click Publish. Publishing generates what you need to place the form on your site, such as an embed code or a shareable link, depending on the form type you chose. Copy the link that Constant Contact provides. Then switch over to your Astra WordPress site and paste that link where you want the sign-up form to appear. Save or update your changes so the form becomes visible to visitors. And that is all there is to it.